Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn what are the top 7 features which can be exclusively beneficial for the professional and student if they are using Realme 5 Pro phone along with the Realme UI features. As most of the phone of Realme has received the Android Q update, hence they have got the branded new Realme UI. So if you have not updated your phone so far, you can find the link in the description and you can watch that video and you can update your phone to the latest Android 10 in all Realme phones, including Realme 5 Pro. So in this video, we are going to discuss what are the top 7 features which a student or professional can use so that they can improve their productivity. Let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. As you can see, the phone is with me. So I'm going to start with the first feature, that is a calculator. Now you can use the calculator in a very ergonomic way. How? You just go and choose the calculator. This is the full screen calculator. If you want to use it over another app, that also you can do it by just minimizing it. Now it's a floating calculator. You can move it wherever you feel like and you can use this calculator and you can do the multiple tasks together. So this is an interesting feature which I have seen in the new Realme UI. Now I'm moving to the next feature. So in next feature is all about display. Go to settings. Go to display settings. Here you can see there are 3 options: dark mode, eye care, and screen color temperature. I suggest you that if you're using the phone at night, you can put this toggle switch on and you can enable the dark mode. At the daytime, you can use the light mode. Eye care feature, if you enable it after sunset, it will turn your phone in a black and white screen. Now you can see the phone is now black and white. To enable or disable, you can disable from the notification also. If I disable it here, the phone will come back to the color mode. Now again I will go back to settings. In display, you can choose the screen color temperature. This is the default, warm and cool. And the new feature in Realme 5 Pro is OSIE vision effect. You can always put this toggle switch on and it will improve the way you look at the screen and you use the phone. So certainly these all features are very ergonomic, and this display feature will help you in some way to relieve your eyes so that you can get less strain. Moving to the next feature is the manage notifications. Yes, professionals or the students, they install so many apps in their phone, and it is quite possible once you install the apps, you get the bulk of notifications after that. So you can manage the notifications. For that, go to settings again, go to notification and status bar and click on the manage notification. And here you get the list of all the apps you have installed, and from here you can choose from which app you want to receive the notification and from which app you don't want to receive the notification at all. In my case, if I don't want to receive the notification, say from the Facebook, so I will turn it off. I will never get the notification from Facebook. So some of the apps which you want to use in your phone, but you don't want the notification from those apps, you can certainly manage the notification to enable this feature, and you can get less distraction if you are a working professional or a student. Moving to the next feature is the one-handed operation. Yes, to enable the one-handed operation, you can slide down and here you can choose the one-handed operation by clicking on this button. Now if you want to use the phone using your right hand, you can select this and you can use the phone like here, like this. If you are using the phone with the left hand, you can just click on this left arrow and you can use the phone in this way. And if you are done with the one-handed operation, you want to return to the original screen, click here and you will return to the original screen. Okay, moving to the next option is the way you take the screenshot. Yes, now if you want to take the screenshot, now there you have three options: small screenshot, normal screenshot, and you can take the long screenshot. I will explain you how. Say for example you are reading the Times of India newspaper on mobile phone. Okay. Now if you are reading an article here and I want a screenshot of the only red area, so just put the 3 fingers on the screen, hold it there, and you see arrowed area is shown. Now slide it down, adjust it how much screenshot you need, and at the right corner you can see the save button. Click on that. So this is a small screenshot. Normal screenshot is just put the 3 fingers and slide it down. You see, this is the normal screenshot. And here if you want to take the long screenshot, click on the long screenshot button besides the delete button, and now slide it up and choose the area how much you can, and now you see this is the bigger screenshot. You can use it later for the reading purpose. So this is a long screenshot. Now I'm going to explain you the 6th feature, that is a assistive bell. You can go to settings, you can come to convenience tool, and here you can click on the assistive bell. Put the toggle switch on for the assistive bell and choose what you want to do. If you tap once, if you tap twice, and if you tap and hold. So by default you can change the option from here. So once you see I have just enabled it, there is a ball displayed on the screen, and you can increase or decrease the opacity from here. Okay, now if I click once, it will take me back. If I double click on it, it will take me to home screen. If I click and hold, it will take the screenshot. So this feature I found it very worthy, especially if you are navigating through the different apps and you want to go back suddenly, or you want to go back to home screen. So this assistive bell will help you a lot. Moving to the next feature is the focus mode and the wind down. These are the 2 very interesting feature or the important feature for the students, because at particular time you don't want to be distracted from studies. In that case you can use this feature in your phone, so that you do not get the unnecessary notification and you can concentrate on your studies. So to enable that, go to settings, come to digital well-being and parental control, go down, and here you can see the 2 options, wind down, and here just you need to put the toggle switch on. Just here you can enable the time, at what time you want to start and at what time you want to end. In my case I have set it at 11 o'clock night to enable, and to disable at 7 o'clock in the morning. I want it for the whole week. If you want particular day you should not get disturbed, so you can just disable it and put it on. Okay, so what it will do, once you enable the wind down, it will convert your phone to black and white screen, as you have seen in the eye care feature. and then do not disturb service will be enabled automatically except the alarm. So this is a very interesting feature. Second, last is focus mode. So here you can choose from which app you want notification. Suppose you have multiple apps, so you don't want that during the study time you should not get distracted with the social media platforms. So you can choose all the social media platform. You can select it from the list. So here I have option to select at which time you want to start, at which time you want to end, select the days, and here you can select the apps from which you don't want notification during that period. So in case if I want that, I don't want notification say from this, now see the BBC News has been added to the distracting apps. So during this period you won't get the notification from the selected apps. So these are the 7 top features of Realme UI available in your Realme 5 Pro and the other Realme phone also, which you can use, and you can use your phone in a more productive way. You can save your time and energy. I hope you have liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.